la 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 la. Red ducklings waddle waddle in a row, quacking and giggling off they go. Through the puddles splish and splash, waddling fast in a waddly dash. Hey, red like apples, red like fire, little red ducks never tire. Boy red ducklings with tiny feet waddle to the rhythm and tap a beat. They flap their wings and shake their tails, dancing in line on grassy trails. Till you learn your colors, come along, sing the red duckling waddling song. Red duck number 1 says quack quack, marches left and waddles back. Duckling 2 does a happy spin with a shiny red bow under her chin. Colors counting fun all day, waddle with the ducks, hip hip hooray. Duckling 3 jumps over a log, duckling 4 leaps like a froggy frog. Red duck 5 finds a flower bed, look she shouts it's bright and red. Red balloons, red shoes too, red ducklings are coming through. Red ducklings cuddle when the day is done, they've waddled and played and had so much fun. Snuggled in a nest with feathers so neat, dreaming of colors and marching feet. Good night, red duckling, sleep so tight, we'll waddle again in the morning light.